Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you my honest review about the hotel. So I'm going to explain the room and the breakfast as well. So let's start. This is based in Basel and the hotel is Essential by Dorint. So as soon as you enter, on the left side is the bathroom, to which we'll be coming later. Now let's move on to the bed. This is the room, this is the bed, which is super cozy. If you're opting for this hotel, make sure you go for a superior room which has the AC, room heater and a coffee maker, because the climate in Switzerland drops down to 0 degrees or even goes in minus. This is the study area and this is the TV. Well, only German language channels play on this TV and very few English. This is the coffee maker and a mini fridge here. Whatever stuff we get from the supermarket, we place it in the fridge. Now let me show you the window area, which is beautiful. I love the curtains, white sheer curtains and then blackout curtains as well, 2 layered curtains, and we have a wonderful view outside the window. When you choose the room in this hotel, make sure your view outside is also beautiful. Sorry about this, but what to do? The wardrobe is full and I have to place 3 months clothes over here. So that's the reason. So this was all about the room. And now let us move to the bathroom. It's a very usual bathroom, but again it's a very beautiful bathroom. It's usual because it's the white and black combination. You have everything that you need there. Fresh towels are placed every day. There's a small dustbin and there is that's my makeup stuff. But there's a dryer also in the bathroom, which I think I don't use much. Anyways, and let's move on to the bath area now. So in the bath area, they change the shampoos and lotions and everything every day. So it's good. I like the bathroom personally. So let me know if you like the room, yes or no. And now let's move on to our breakfast. So let's go down and have some breakfast. And I'm going to give you my view about that. I'm putting the room service tag so that by the time I finish with my breakfast, they clean up the room and keep it ready for me. Let's go down. Well, if you ask me how was the breakfast, well, it was good. But after 2 weeks we got pretty bored eating the same stuff, and that's why we had to request the chef to prepare something different like French toast, noodles. We are about to enter the breakfast area. Let me show you what all is there. So these are dry fruits and then you have all types of milk and fruits, a lot of fruits which I usually have at first, muesli, fruit yogurt, and then strawberry sauce, honey, Nutella. These are the bakery items, croissants, cake, and then eggs, scrambled eggs, sunny side up, boiled eggs, tomato with cheese and potato, fried potato, beans, sausages, meatballs, bacon, and this side we have ham, chicken and pork, pepperoni, types of cheeses and anything to garnish your sandwiches with. Let's have the breakfast now. So guys, after watching this video, do you think you also should have a room like that of a hotel room? Well, that's quite possible. Let me tell you how. You got to watch my another video for that. The link is in the description box and I've spent over 2 hours for this video, so please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel because it's free and it takes just 1 second. Thank you. And hey, don't forget to forward this video in your WhatsApp groups, especially the ones who are very much interested in traveling. So goodbye. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye. Take care.